The Ukrainian Defence Forces have managed to land an unmanned aerial vehicle, Eleron T-16. This is reported by the State Border Guard Service of Ukraine. T-16 is a new drone of the Aileron family. It was developed by the Russian company ENICS several years ago. The key technical specifications of the drone are not specified, but it is known that it can carry up to 6 kilograms of payload, and the takeoff weight is approximately 20 kilograms. During the tests, the Aileron T-16 was able to reach a speed of about 65 kilometers per hour and cover 150 kilometers. It is not yet known how different the final version of the drone is from the version that took part in the tests. The Aileron T-16 is considered the largest lightweight aircraft in the company's range. It can conduct reconnaissance and surveillance, correct artillery fire, and be used to suppress enemy electronic equipment. The drone also features the ability to operate in any weather conditions. The Ukrainian Defence Forces captured the Aileron T-16 for the first time. This was done by the fighters of the unit Stalevi Cordon in Kharkiv region. They used a shotgun designed to neutralize drones.